at India Warehouse Logistic Expo right here with Rubber King India's stall. They are the leading manufacturers of all types of tires and they're proudly Make in India company. And with me is Mr. Devin Gawarvala, the director of the company. So, sir, may I really know about the Rubber King India, such a great company? What's the backstory about the company?
My grandfather was the one who put the seed for Rubber King, and the courage it took him back then to do a startup was something that you'd never find. My father made India's #1 tube company. The same when he gave me the solid tire plant to run, he had already done the R&D and we were already there. And now our customers say what we were saying once, that we are having India's widest range of solid tire in SKUs, size range, variants, and a lot of India first things are happening. I end up doing the journey of India's #1 pneumatic company, which we have recently launched 6 months back. We were the quickest Greenfield-Brownfield project in India. Within 6 months, we started rolling out Tyre from the day of inception, from the day of bricklaying.
We are proudly contributing to Make in India initiative. How are we doing it?
Our products usually were relied by our dealers and our clients by foreign companies. Creating those same products with a better after-sales service is why we are Rubber King. Much better pricing is available. A lot of people that today visit us, they were saying that before I was buying from abroad, and now good thing you help us reduce our inventory. Before we would stock it up, hold it up, and you help us.
In this expo, how the response has been so far?
This is our 4th consecutive year taking part in IWS. We have always taken part so that they can get a one-stop solution for their forklifts, for their trailers or tippers. It is a very good response so far, and we will keep on coming because of what we have got from IWS, the recognition in the minds of our end customer, thanks to IWS.